You know what I love to do most? I love to fart.
Ooh, that was wet. Ooh. Is a fart. So. Oof. I can't push too hard. I feel like I'm gonna shit my pants. Bro. I'm gonna shit. Oh.
I have so much gas. I hope you have time for this.
Loshängst du?
No.
Did you just fart?
Oh my god, fart again. Alright. I gotta fart again. I gotta fart again. Okay, so like, subscribe, hit that follow.
Do you have makeup in your hair?
Probably.
Can I pour into the mic?
Do it.
Wait, you don't have any more? Yeah. Wait. She farted in the mic.
Yeah, and I need to fart.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you did this yourself?
These are bio. Okay.
Hey, look.
Ah! She peeled it! I don't know how I feel about this one.
Me neither. I don't
I
like
like
the
the
cookie part.
lemon frosting, but I don't like the cookie.
Why are you falling off the couch?
I would prefer for nothing to come out.
No, okay, we're good now. We're good.
I mean, you're directing your.
Oh.
Like, what would our music be like? Punk junkies? Oh, punk. Sorry.
There's no way in fucking hell.
Did she just fart?
There's no.
It was just a bit. Oh my god, that's bad. Maddie, go with the free breeze. Oh my god, Maddie, go with the free breeze. No joke. No, wait, Maddie, I'm. No way! What the fuck? Money. Okay, wait. No, it's my. Glass of water. They just go like.
Continue. Guess it. and then. There's absolutely no shot. Oh my. That vibrated my sternum. Do I look my age? Yeah. You look like 20. No, but you like.
We have to cut.
It's not even dark out, so. Bro.
I have to fart. Howdy, that's disgusting.
For the cam.
Gotta fart.
Wait, you hear me?
No.
Freya's trying. Oh, I think I got a rip one. Sorry.
Oh, Krista. Oh.
If I light it.
Mike.
No, fuck. Oh shit, sorry. Oh shit, lower it. Go.
I don't know if I would want to do that. Okay, go. We couldn't hear the fart over your fucking laugh. Open the door.
Or he is. I don't even know who it is that I'm talking to, honestly. But side tip, if you're looking for a housekeeper. Oh, I haven't even ate yet. I'm sorry. That ew, fucking gross.
Hold on, she's got a fart.
Oh, God. Get out. Come on. Oh.
I can do it again. Everybody quiet. Get away from the bed. Quiet.
Little ducky.
Oh, my ATA.
Don't get my toes in there. Listen. Don't put that in here. I will murder you. What video?
China, what if I farted right now?
Can you stop?
And it left with you, Paige.
Big.
Sorry, I really sorry.
Ew, bro.
His teeth are nice.
Not to you.
Ew, what the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Those cookies, I'm really sorry.
Did you fart?
Oh my god, no. Oh my god, yes. I'm sorry, but
I used to be a shoulda coulda woulda person. But you just go through things.
I don't have spray.
Fart. My favorite food is definitely pasta. It's always been pasta.
Oh my god, yeah.
Integral. Exquisitas. That's what you say, right? Ew. Ah. Sorry. Ew, bro.
I should have never ate cheese today.
It's getting hot in here with this light, honestly. You stink, bro. You stink.
Oh shit. Find your phone. Let's do a time check.
Did mother crimes? Oh, I need to fart.
I hope you heard that.
Hi.
Hurts so much more than it feels. Here, now I gotta poop. Oh, I'm not going to toot on the internet.
Did you hear that ghost?
Yeah, sharks coming. Oh no. No. Yo. Is your dad back?
Something. I thought it was gonna be like a birthday shotgun. What the heck? Ew. Did you just do that? Oh, mommy got
Stop. Shit. Shit.
10 and 4. Whatever. Ew!
I swear to God, if you keep doing that to me, I'm gonna kill you.
What was that?
what? Guys, it's kind of freaking.
We just took a shower and we're both
Far. Bro, these keep dragging on the ground. Did you just
Come here.
Oh.
Right there.
Kitty!
Thing to feast your eyes on. And it's cookie.
And we went on a walk and we were like, this would be a fun video.
Sound diffusion. I mean, it's like science. You probably wouldn't know. Oh, I probably wouldn't know. That's an chill. Like, why you like that could literally be anywhere. This is not the first. This isn't the first studio that has this stuff. That's the same. No, yeah, no, sure.
Okay, this is a comb, and you comb down your hair. Anyways, I love this loofah. This is a vase, and you use it to put your flowers in there.
No! No!
And girl, I want a snack. Like, sorry. Look at this. I got this.
You ate all of these.
Coming back soon. Today we're gonna be.
Why do I have to feel, the need to fart right now? No! I thought I was joking. You better be. A different one. It was supposed to be apple. What the fuck? It's good though, so I'm not complaining. Alright. I need I just farted. I need a palate cleanser.
About to ask you a good question.
Okay, ask away.
If you made it, keep calling him Logan. You're allowed to fecal in your bed, but I'm not. What would your Logan be? What would your Bruh, I'm about
Let me know what you think of these items. Please subscribe to my channel. So if you do anything at all, subscribe for her farts.
Talking about
how to cook ox penis.
And you have nothing else to do. She just farted again. Somebody please.
Do you ever just look at someone and say, so this is what love looks like?
Ooh, shh. Pretty girls first. Sounded wet!
It's a little cherry. It's a little icing on the cake.
Bloop.